Hi friends, today in this video we are going to learn about allopurinol and its pharmacology, that is mechanism of action, uses, adverse reactions and other important key points. And before that, if you are preparing for GPAT examination, and you can watch a webinar conducted by our channel. And coming to today's drug allopurinol, before going to that, let us learn about gout. Friends, gout is a disorder which is caused due to increased uric acid in our body. And let us see the drugs used for the treatment of gout, and one of the drug is allopurinol. So what is allopurinol? It's a xanthine oxidase inhibitor. Let's see its uses. It is used for the treatment of gout, long-term treatment of gout especially, and secondary hyperuricemia. And these are the treatment options of allopurinol. And coming to the IUPAC name, it is 4-hydroxypyrazolo 3,4-D pyrimidine. And this is the structure of allopurinol sodium. And you can practice this structure. And coming to the mechanism of xanthine oxidase inhibitors. So let's see. Before that, first of all, we need to learn about synthesis of uric acid. During purine metabolism, hypoxanthine is converted to xanthine and finally it is oxidized to uric acid with the help of xanthine oxidase. So allopurinol here acts as a xanthine oxidase inhibitor, which results in reducing the body uric acid levels. Thus, by this time you can understand that the allopurinol will inhibit xanthine oxidase in purine metabolism, resulting in reducing the levels of uric acid, thereby controlling hyperuricemia. And this is the important function of allopurinol in long-term treatment of gout. And coming to the other uses of allopurinol or the actions of allopurinol, which include lowering the serum uric acid and uric acid in urine, and increasing the excretion of hypoxanthine and xanthine through urine. In addition to inhibition of its degradation, it also eliminates hypoxanthine and xanthine through urine. And the adverse reactions of allopurinol. These are the adverse reactions, which include vomiting, skin rash or allergy, nausea, diarrhea, leukopenia, hepatic damage. And other adverse reactions include ototoxicity, bone marrow suppression, epidermal necrolysis. These are severe ADRs. And let's see the doses. It is given at a starting dose of 100 mg per day, which can be increased up to 800 mg per day. The serum uric acid levels does not fall, then we will increase the dose every 2 weeks until the serum uric acid levels fall below 6 mg%. And this is the dosaging of allopurinol. And that is all for today. And allopurinol is also called, it is a metabolic product of alloxanthine, which is called oxypurinol. And see you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Capsule Concepts and Insights and subscribe to our channel. And if you thought you will learn something today, give a like to this video and subscribe and click the notification bell icon.